TrialSpark rebrands as Formation Bio, continuing its commitment to advancing drug development innovation. Let's get into it. And welcome to Innovate Marketing Daily. Today is December 5th, 2023. My name is shawnpneal, and we are brought to you by mypodcastmedia. Now, mypodcastmedia produces amazing podcasts for brands just like yours. So if you're considering launching a podcast, make sure you visit mypodcast.media. All right, we've got a great show for you today. So without further ado, and thanks so much for joining me on this 5th day of December 2023. It is a Tuesday. It's like day 5 of just this kind of hazy, cloudy, drizzly, wintry type day here in the Midwest. But even despite that, even despite the fact that it's a little gray outside, I still walk outside and I look around and I just try to look at everything that I'm grateful for. And one of the things that I walked out of the house this morning and I thought about was just simply the nice, crisp air, the clean air that I was able to breathe in. Simple things like that, my friends. Simple things like that. It makes it all worthwhile. All right, let's get into this story, shall we? This is from New York, and that is where TrialSpark, a tech-driven drug developer with its own portfolio of clinical stage drug assets, is rebranding to Formation Bio. Now, pause for an applause. Congratulations on this rebrand. So the new name is a reflection of the company's evolution and its progress toward building a pharma company designed to achieve their founding mission. And that mission is to bring new treatments to patients faster and more efficiently. Now, before we go any further, I want to put a pin in that, talk a little bit about Formation Bio, who they are, what they do, and then we'll come back to this rebrand. So Formation Bio is a tech-driven pharma company differentiated by radically more efficient drug development. Now, it was founded in 2016 as TrialSpark Inc., and it's built a technology platform that optimizes critical aspects of clinical drug development, enabling more efficient trial design, faster trial completion, and higher quality trial data. Now, the company acquires clinical stage drugs from pharmaceutical and biotech companies with the goal to develop them faster in order to accelerate access to new treatments for patients and to unlock greater value per program. So by developing their drug assets faster than industry norms, Formation Bio can take more shots on goal, increasing the overall likelihood of success and ultimately increasing the number of new treatments available to healthcare professionals for their patients. Now, despite sweeping advancements in biotechnology, bringing a new drug to market remains a decade-long billion-dollar endeavor. Decades-long $1 billion in this process. Now, while AI is making drug discovery more efficient than ever, the biopharma industry can't develop all the drugs it discovers. Many promising drugs that could help patients don't get developed, as the high costs of clinical trials limit the number of pipeline assets companies can advance. Formation Bio in-licenses or acquires promising clinical stage drug assets from biotech and pharma companies that can't develop the assets for themselves for financial or strategic reasons. The company leverages its proprietary tech-driven development engine to process its pipeline faster and more efficiently than industry norms, ultimately striving to create value for its partners and increase the throughput for patients. Now, their model, which brings together technical depth and pharma acumen, is laying the foundation for the pharma company of the future, which will be characterized by speed and operational excellence and first principles of thinking. Now, TrialSpark, before acquiring its own pipeline, the company had spent its early years focused on sparking innovation within all aspects of clinical trials and drug development, building clinical trial technology tools for drug developers, including software and platforms for digital patient recruitment and site management. So with this rebrand, Formation Bio marks the next phase of its journey to create this generation's pharma company by building upon its early success in acquiring and developing a portfolio of assets across numerous therapeutic areas. So there you have it, my friends. A very nice, large-scale rebrand happening there. And so I would encourage you, wherever you're watching or listening to this podcast, jump on over to the comment section and just put a huge shout out, huge congratulations out there for everyone at Formation Bio on the rebrand, on how this marks the next steps in their future, and give them your support. Show them your support as one business professional to another, okay? That's what we're all here to do. Now, with that being said, if you would like to support this podcast, Innovate Marketing Daily, well, we would love to have you. Like, subscribe, follow, whatever you want to do to stay in touch. Because we're here Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday, my friends, every week. Bringing you great stories like this in marketing, branding, and business growth. And that is my time. So until we meet again, my friends, please stay safe and be well. See ya.